Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Zenless Zone Zero. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Zenless Zone Zero game on your device, and once it is loaded, you will see the login button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked to enter your credentials. If you used your Facebook, your Twitter or your Google account while signing up previously, then you can tap on the respective buttons. Otherwise, just enter the email address that you have used while signing up for your account, and then tap on the OK button. You can then enter your account password underneath within the password box. Finally, click on the login button, and now you will be logged in to your Zenless Zone Zero account. You can now start playing the game and choose your server based on your desire. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Zenless Zone Zero. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.